Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick comparison review between these two podcasting tools, which is Podcastle and Castr. So I'm going to dive into it, trying to explain the difference, the pros and cons about the two platforms to help you decide if any of these podcasting platform can be a game changer for you. So let's just dive into it. Podcastle is perfect for creators who want an easy all-in-one podcast tools. You can record, edit, and polish using AI tools like noise removal and transcription, all inside your browser. It's beginner-friendly and great for solo podcasters. However, advanced users may find its editing limits restrictive, and some features required high tier plans. So talking about Castr, on the other hand, focused mainly on live streaming and multi-streaming rather than post-production. It's ideal if you want to broadcast your show live to platforms like YouTube or Twitch. But the downside is that it's not as smooth for editing or managing pre-recorded podcasts. So in my conclusion, you can choose Podcastle for easy editing and production, or Castr if live streaming is your main goal. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the two podcasting tools and which of these can be a game changer for you. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.